Hi, how to study maths without tuition? Math is a tricky subject, but can you score well in it without tuitions? What if I tell you that the answer is yes? You can study math and score well in your exam without tuitions. Here is how you can study maths without tuition. Let us see. Number 1 is a study regularly. To study math without tuition, it is very important to study regularly. Hard work and consistency is the key to get good scores. So make sure you practice maths every day. Daily, what you learned in a class, you should it practice in a home. Second one is always take notes. Notes can help store information in your long-term memory. Write these in class. These notes will be important for reviewing when you are completing assessment and assignments. So always take a notes. Next thing is that revise regularly. Make sure you solve maths problem every day and revise what you have studied. This help you retain the equations formulas well. Next one is that solve sample papers. By solving sample papers, you can get good practice for the final exam. Try to solve previous year's question papers also. It will help to get an idea of the question pattern and marking scheme. More thing is that so many times questions are repeated, alternately changes, so it will be help you for good score. So these are some of the tips that will help you study maths on your own without tuitions. So how was the video? Is it helpful to you? Comment me and make sure to click the subscribe button. Thank you. Study regularly, do hard work and keep consistency. Best of luck for your future.